a number of new initiatives which were launched under the guidance and the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister to make railway a vibrant engine of growth. We realized the railways could play a significant role in many areas. One of the first steps we have taken is to address the age-old challenges of railways. One is safety, other is speed, third is the huge mismatch between supply and demand, fourthly, the type of customer service we should offer, fifthly, how to make it as transparent as possible, how to increase the capacity of railways to deliver in a manner that the people expect, and all of these things have been rolled into an action plan which is already under implementation. The budget, though, was presented for a year on 26th of February last year or this year. We have already made a 5-year perspective. In the next 5 years, we hope to complete the doubling and tripling, or wherever there is a third line and it is getting congested, a fourth line. We want to ensure that as a result of this, we'll be able to increase the speed considerably, reduce the delays that happen in the train travel, improve punctuality significantly, and in many areas, whether it is food, whether it is quality of linen, whether it's the type of reservation that you make, the complaints, if you want to make the complaint response mechanism, whether it is related to the type of facilities we offer on the train, many of these things were mentioned in my budget speech. I am very happy to say that 103 of those budget announcements are already implemented.
पेडणेच्यान काणकोण पर्यंत, कारवार पर्यंत वता आणि परत बॅक. सिंगल ट्रॅक असल्यामुळे थांबत थांबत वचची पडटा, 2 वरां लागतात. डबल ट्रॅकिंग ताणे घेता म्हटला बेगीन हातान. I would request Honorable Minister to please expedite the matter of double tracking of Konkan Railway, by which the people of Goa would be highly benefited. रस्त्यार जो प्रेशर आणि रस्त्यार जे ॲक्सिडेंटाचे प्रमाण आसा ते मोठ्या प्रमाणावर कमी जातले. रेल्वेचो प्रवास हो सेफ प्रवास असता, रेल्वेचो प्रवास हो सेफ असता, स्वस्त असता आणि फास्टूय असता. आणि जर दर अर्ध्या वरान पेडणेच्यान काणकोणा वचणारे किंवा काणकोणच्यान कारवारच्यान पेडणे वचणारे जर अर्ध्या वरान DMU आणि नंतर EMU जर सुटल्यो जाल्यार दूरदृष्टीचो विचार केल्यार मोठ्या प्रमाणात रस्त्यावेलो ताण कमी जातलो.